is Jared. This is Devin. Question: which basketball will bounce more times, a flat one or more pumped one? The purpose of this experiment is to find out which ball will bounce more times, the flatter one or the more pumped one. The dependent variable is the number of bounces from each ball. The independent variable is the flat basketball. Hypothesis: if the number of bounces is related to the amount of air in a basketball, then the flat basketball will bounce less times. Materials: flat basketball, a pump basketball, and the floor. Procedure: get one pumped up basketball. Step 1, get one pumped up basketball. Step 2, get one flat basketball. Step 3, drop pumped ball and count the bounces. Step 4, drop the flat ball and count the number of bounces. Step 5, repeat that 4 times so you get more accurate results. A caution: you have to make sure both of the balls are dropped from the same height.
Alright, this is flat ball, trial 1.
7.
Alright, for the last trial we had 7 bounces from the flat ball. This is pumped up trial 1. Last trial was 14 bounces.
Oh god, get out of here.
This is flat trial number 2.
6.
Alright, last trial had 6 results. This is flat trial number
2.
Fuck, screwed up.
Oh, you can't do that on.
Alright, this is pumped up trial number 2.
17.
Alright, last trial had 17 bounces. This is flat trial number 3.
Yeah, we got it.
7.
Oh, for God's sake, I wasn't. Last trial had resulted in 7. This is flat, pumped up trial number 3. Last one had 15 bounces. This is flat trial number 4.
7 again.
Last one resulted in 7. This is pumped up trial number 4.
16. The average number of bounces for the pumped ball was 15.5. The average number of bounces for the flat ball was 6.75. The conclusion: our results are related to the hypothesis because we predicted that the amount of air in the basketball is related to the times it bounces, and it is because the pumped up basketball had more air, so it bounced more times than the flat one. We accept our hypothesis.
Done?
From this experiment, we learned that air has an effect on the bounce of the ball. Possible sources of air that may have affected our results. Jared could have been holding the ball at different heights maybe. That could have made more or less bounces. You could have maybe, pushed it down harder to make it bounce more.